Hey guys, my name is Rudy and welcome to my channel of Doing Stuff and Things. Today we're going to talk about how to hopefully save you some money. If you are watching my channel, then you're here for two reasons. Either A, you're having the problem in the description, or you just like my stuff. So, today we're going to talk about ODBII sensor and other issues. I'm doing this video to hopefully save you around $600, which is what it cost me. Nothing is worse than getting in your car, turning the key, and as the lights go out, the light that's still on is your infamous check engine light. Okay, first thing you want to do is locate your ODBII plug. For me, that plug is conveniently located right here by the hood release. And I recommend a product such as this. And this one's about $30. Now for my BMW, this reader will not work, but for the Fiat, this machine is perfect. It's a very simple little device. This one's an Actron 9125C. I'm not sure if this is still being made, but this stuff is getting updated all the time. And there's no subscription, so everything is right as you need it, when you need it, until it no longer functions. So, this is pretty easy. Take the connector and you plug it in over here. And close the door here so we can not get the noise. And you can see pocket scan. So this one's actually pretty easy. We're going to go to read. Sometimes this takes a bit. And it depends on the type of car. Like mine has to be almost in the start position here. And we have 6 codes for the car. Now we're going to go ahead and read these codes. P0441. This is the code that cost me, like I said, $400 plus another $200 on top. So the first thing I'm going to show you is actually how to fix this in here. You want to get rid of this code, hit the erase button here. This code will get erased, but let's read the rest of the codes here. So we got 441, 455, 456, 441, and these codes will repeat. And you can see they're dealing with Evap. So what I want to do is I want to hit the erase, and it's asking me to confirm that. You press the read button to confirm that. It's done. Now there's no codes, but this will come back. So here's the problem. I went out and I bought a new gas cap because that is the cheapest method of fixing this. And I bought this not off like Amazon or eBay or anything like that. I actually bought it off of, I think it was either, it was one of the car sites. So you think there's no issues. But the gas cap, 14 bucks, was a bad gas cap, because after all we did and everything else, it still turned out to be that the problem was actually the gas cap. Now there's a big difference in the one that was in there to the factory one. This is the factory one. Actually, I got it loose here because that's how I created the problem. So this cap pops out. I'll do that again. And it has a nice plastic piece in here. And this gas cap was actually still not that expensive. But I had all the parts replaced twice, only charged once. And since we replaced the gas cap, I figured, or the mechanic figured, that was not the issue. Well, I took it to the dealer, and lo and behold, that was actually the problem. Now we're gonna turn everything off, turn everything back on. And the code should not come back to you. With this, first thing to do is check the tightness of the gas cap. Second step is replace your gas cap. Hope this helps. Till next time, take care.